Stock in server is busy. Please try again later in PUBG Mobile. Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you an easy and real fix that most probably will work in your device as well. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, what you can do is just simply switch off your networks. So if you are on Wi-Fi, right here you can just simply switch towards data and test it once. Or if not, you can just simply switch to different Wi-Fi or just restart your router or Wi-Fi itself. So next thing what you can do is just simply connect VPN if that doesn't work. Sometimes connecting VPN also works. So the best VPN I would choose is Turbo VPN, which is a good free VPN for Androids. So next thing is to clear cache. Just simply hold up your PUBG Mobile icon, hit towards its settings, and on the bottom right you can see clear data. Just simply select clear data and then select clear cache right here. And once that is done, just simply select OK, and after that is done, your cache will be cleared. You also need to check for updates. If your PUBG is outdated, it might not work. So simply hit towards Play Store, search up for PUBG Mobile, and once it's there, check if there is update. If there is, just simply update it immediately. So that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.